Ready to transform your Wix website from a passion project to a profit-generating powerhouse? First, selling products is a straightforward option. If you have physical goods, Wix makes it easy to set up an online store with product listings, shopping carts, and secure payment gateways for digital products like ebooks, courses, or templates. Use Wix's integrated tools or third-party apps for seamless delivery after purchase. Next, if you offer services such as consulting, coaching, or design, showcase your expertise on your Wix site. Use Wix bookings to manage appointments, set your rates, and accept payments. Clearly define your service packages and provide testimonials to build trust with potential clients. Monetize your website traffic with ads. Google AdSense is a popular choice. Why? Simply apply, get approved, and insert the provided code into your Wix site. Experiment with ad placement to optimize click-through rates without compromising user experience. Explore affiliate marketing by partnering with businesses that offer products or services related to your niche. Promote their offerings on your Wix site using unique affiliate links. When visitors click on your links and make a purchase, you earn a commission. Disclose your affiliate relationships transparently. By diversifying your income streams through selling products, offering services, running ads, and leveraging affiliate marketing, you can build a sustainable online business with Wix and achieve financial success. Now get out there and monetize your Wix website.